Today I'm using my SSG-24 using 0.46 gram BBs.
Cypher's down. Oh, on the bridge.
So unfortunately I was having a bit of trouble with the GoPro footage, so I've just had to attach the scope cam, but I hope you enjoyed some long range kills.
Thank you. He's right to your left, buddy.
Got him.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I was pretty impressed how far this gun can actually shoot. I will try my best for future videos to put it all together a bit better, make more of a story, make it more interesting. But until then, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Till next time.